All right, guys, picture this. You just drove hours to your new home in Dorado Hills. The moving truck pulls away. The sun's starting to set. You unlock the front door and nothing turns on. No lights, no AC, no Wi-Fi, no water. It sounds dramatic, but this happens more than you think because nobody talks about this part of moving here. They show you the views, they show you the homes, they show you the lifestyle, but they don't give you the real checklist for getting your house actually ready to live in from day one. So let's fix that. You guys, I'm Joubert Caston. I'm a local real estate advisor in town, but most importantly, I am a very proud girl dad. Today's video, we're diving into all utilities when it comes to living in Dorado Hills. So let's go. Let's start with the big one, electricity and gas. In EDH, the primary name that you'll be dealing with is PG&E. They are the main provider for both natural gas and electricity for most of us in Northern California, and that includes Dorado Hills. To get your service started, you'll need to give them a call, ideally a week or two before you move in. You can reach them at 800-743-5000. They'll ask you for your new address and some personal info to get the account all set up. Now let's talk about something you're gonna hear, and it's the simple, harsh truth. PG&E rates can be pricey. It's a common point of conversation, especially for people moving from nearby Sacramento who are used to the lower rates from SMUD. But there's a pro tip and insider detail you need to know. While PG&E owns and maintains the power lines, the actual electricity can be purchased from a different group called Pioneer Community Energy. It's a not-for-profit organization run by local elected officials from Placer and Dorado counties. What does that mean for you? It means you have a choice that can often lead to more compatible and stable rates. In fact, since January 2022, if you live in an unincorporated part of Dorado County, you're automatically enrolled into Pioneer for your electricity generation unless you choose to opt out. You'll still get a single bill from PG&E, but the generation part of that bill will come from Pioneer. It was set up to give residents more local control over energy costs. So when you're setting up your power, look into Pioneer. You can call them at 916-758-8969 to get more details. And for those of you looking at homes that are a bit more rural and off the natural gas grid, propane is a very common alternative. Companies like Camps Propane and AmeriGas are the typical go-to providers in this area. So let's talk about your water source, the Dorado Irrigation District. Next up, water and sewer. This is the big one. The name you need to know here is Dorado Irrigation District, or EID. They are a massive operation managing drinking water, wastewater, and recycled water for over 220 square miles, including all of Dorado Hills. To start service there, the main customer service line is 530-622-4513. They also use that same number as their 24/7 emergency line for reporting leaks or main breaks. And that brings me to a super practical tip. The EID system is massive, and some of the infrastructure has been around since the district was founded in 1925. This means pipe breaks can happen occasionally. So I tell all of my clients, program that emergency number into your phone the day you move in. You hope you never have to need it, but you'll be glad you have it if you ever do. EID manages a complex system of reservoirs, treatment facilities, and over 1,100 miles of pipeline to make sure the water is safe and reliable, drawing from high elevation lakes and water that flows down to Folsom Lake. Your bill from them will cover your drinking water and wastewater treatment, but it often includes a third service that is one of the coolest things about living here. Excuse me. EID's recycled water. So one of my favorite things about Dorado Hills, and which is a real game changer, is the recycled water. It's a feature that truly sets this community apart. You'll start noticing them everywhere. Distinctive purple pipes and sprinkler heads in many neighborhoods. That's a sign. This is highly treated wastewater that, while not for drinking, is perfect for irrigation. The system serves thousands of homes, parks, school fields, and the beautiful landscapes in communities like Serrano and even the local golf courses. In fact, since 2024, recycled water used for landscaping has been mandated for all new subdivisions. And why is this so important? First, it saves an insane amount of precious drinking water. We're talking nearly 1 billion gallons of water a year. In a state like California, that's a huge environmental win. And second, it keeps our community looking lush and green, even during droughts, without straining our most critical water supply. So when you see those beautiful public spaces, you can thank EID's forward-thinking recycled water program. It's a smart, sustainable solution that adds a ton of value to living here. All right, quick pause. If this is helping you feel more confident about your move, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you turn that bell on for all notifications, because my whole channel is packed with insider info to help you not just move here, but truly thrive here. So you're gonna go take out the trash. Who you're using? El Dorado Disposal. So let's talk trash and recycling. Your go-to provider here is El Dorado Disposal. They handle all residential garbage, recycling, and green waste collection for El Dorado Hills. Their service is pretty simple. You get weekly pickup for your trash cart and then bi-weekly pickup for your recycling and green waste on alternating weeks. You could choose from a 35-gallon, 64-gallon, or 96-gallon cart, so you could pick the size that fits your family. Now the big question is, what does it cost? The rates are billed every 2 months. Just to give you a ballpark based on recent figures, the standard 35-gallon service was running somewhere around $78 for 2 months. The 64-gallon was running around $84, and the largest 96-gallon was around $111. But listen, these rates definitely change, so you'll want to call and get the absolute current pricing when you sign up. To get everything started, just give El Dorado Disposal a call at 530-626-4141. And here's a little practical detail. They provide service on all holidays except Christmas Day and New Year's Day. If your pickup lands on one of those two, your service just gets pushed back by 1 day. It's a small thing, but it's something good to know. Now, internet, phone, whatever you like. For phone service, I have learned from experience that if you are an AT&T customer and you move here, you really don't get as good a service as you do in other areas like the Bay Area and beyond. So my family has switched to Xfinity, which has been a game changer for us. Now, a solid internet connection from day one is not a luxury, it's a necessity, especially if you work from home or if you're just a normal human being, I feel. In El Dorado Hills, you have several great options for high-speed internet. The most widespread providers are Xfinity from Comcast and AT&T. Xfinity is your cable internet option with speeds that can get up to 2 gigabits per second in some spots, and they can have coverage almost everywhere. AT&T is the other giant when it comes to internet, and they've been pouring money into their fiber network. In many parts of El Dorado Hills, you can get AT&T fiber, which offers blazing fast, symmetrical upload and download speeds, sometimes hitting up to 5 gigabits per second. Depending on your exact address, you might also find T-Mobile 5G home internet, Earthlink, or satellite options like Viasat and HughesNet for the more rural properties. Here's my pro tip. About a month before you move, jump on a comparison website. Just plug your new address, and it will show you exactly who offers what plans at your front door, so you can schedule the install and be online the second you walk in. Now let's talk about HOAs, which is going to be our final piece. And trust me, this one is critical. Your homeowners association, or HOA. Many of the premier neighborhoods in El Dorado Hills, like Serrano, Blackstone, and the Promontory, are part of an HOA. Why does this affect your utilities? Because sometimes the HOA includes certain services in your monthly dues or has its own set of rules. For instance, in some communities, the HOA might manage the billing for the front yard's recycled water irrigation. They will definitely have rules about where you can store your trash cans and when they can be on the street. Before you move, it is absolutely essential to get in touch with your neighborhood's HOA. Ask if they have a welcome packet and inquire about any utility-related rules. As an example, the contact number of the Serrano HOA is 916-939-1728. And seriously, a 5-minute call to your specific HOA can save you from a headache or a potential fine later. It's the last step to making sure your move-in is completely seamless. And that's the list. I know it might seem like a lot, but it really boils down to the handful of key phone calls. You've got PG&E and Pioneer for your power, the El Dorado Hills Irrigation District for all your water needs, and the El Dorado Disposal for your trash. Setting up these services is a fundamental part of the moving process that often gets overlooked. But now you have a clear roadmap. You know who to call, what to ask, and the insider tips that makes it all feel less intimidating. My goal is to make your next move or your move to El Dorado Hills your best move. My team and I live and breathe El Dorado Hills in this greater Sacramento area when it comes to real estate. We help people just like you every single day, from finding the perfect house to figuring out who to call just to get the power turned on, quite frankly. So when you're ready to make your move and you're all good, feel free to reach out to my team. All my contact information is in the description below. People, reach out. I would love to be your go-to resource when it comes to relocating to the greater Sacramento area, and of course the El Dorado Hills, Folsom, Cameron Park area as well. So reach out to my team. I am here to help. Now on to the next video. Let's go.